Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dini Hijriani as a student in English Department of Padang State University. In this opportunity, I want to explain the material about obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. We go first with the material about obligation. So, what is obligation? Obligation is an expression used to express a necessity. To make a sentence about obligation, we can use must and have to or has to. Must, it shows the imperative meant by the speaker, while have to or has to refer to a rule or necessity that doesn't only come from the speaker's personality. So we can conclude that must is special necessity, while have to or has to are general necessity. And this is the form of obligation. Must, subject plus must plus verb 1. Example, I must study hard. Have to or has to, subject plus have to or has to plus verb 1. Example, you have to wear uniform. And what is difference between have to and has to? The difference lies in the use. Have to is used to subject I, you, they, we, while has to is used to subject she, he, it. The second one is prohibition. Prohibition is a sentence that prohibits or warns others not to do something. Prohibition is divided into three types, namely verbal prohibition, nominal prohibition, and prohibition no plus verb ing. Verbal prohibition. It uses verb 1 and start with don't or do not. The sentence pattern is don't plus verb 1. Example, don't sleep, don't cry, don't eat. And this is nominal prohibition. Nominal prohibition is a sentence that contains adverbs, noun, and adjective. The sentence pattern is don't plus be plus adverb or noun or adjective. Example, don't be here, don't be a police, don't be lazy. And the last is prohibition no plus verb ing. Example, no smoking, no swimming, no parking. And we go to the last material about suggestion. One way that is often used to make suggestion is to use the modal word should plus the verb 1. And this is the form of suggestion. The first, subject plus should plus verb 1. Example, you should go to the hospital. Second, subject plus should plus adverb or noun or adjective. Example, you should be diligent in class. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope this is useful for you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.